welcome back to my channel. Well, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and most of this is new finds for me. I cannot believe what the Dollar Tree is doing. They're killing me. Oh my gosh. Okay, the first thing I found was this poster board in pink. I've never seen the pink before. I've seen the black, I've seen the white, but not this beautiful pink, so I had to pick that up. Then I found these. Aren't these adorable? And they have the little clip right here. You can set them, it has a little, so you can set them or hang them. They can go this way or this way. I love that aged grayish farmhouse finish. So I picked up 5 of these. And it says it holds like a 2x3 picture, but I have 5 of these. But you could do a lot with this, okay? And then I saw these in the Crafter's Square section. They're plastic. I picked up 4 of these. They just look like little milk cans to me. Oh my gosh, they are killing me. I'm serious. So I picked up 4, like I said, of those. Then Rise and Shine mug. It's so cute. It's on both sides, and it has like the rooster, like a weather vane look on it. Oh, love it. Then I picked me up some sanding blocks for when I craft at the Dollar Tree. You cannot beat $1 a piece. And then I found some more glass bottles. These look like this though, and they had the larger and then the smaller. I couldn't find the in-between size at my Dollar Tree, but look how cute these are. And these are really glass like the others that I hauled that had the stopper in them. These just have that little top. And then I picked up, look at this. Is this not an adorable sticker? The secret ingredient is always love. And it has all those little, like the whisk and the rolling pin and things like that. Love this, okay? And then I picked up 2 more packs of rulers. Must have, in my opinion. And then these Crafter Square wood dowels. These are really long, so I was thrilled to find long ones. Okay, and then I was able to find a spoon that didn't have the slot, so I was happy about that. Then I picked up another Jenga block. Then I found these wall stickers, peel and stick wall stickers, and this is the only kind they had, but isn't that beautiful? You could do so much. So I picked up 3 of these. I mean, Dollar Tree is killing it. Oh, I can't stand it. Okay, then I picked up this Crafter Square canvas. It's always good to have one of those. And this is an 8x10. Then, hold on. Look at this, these little mini mats. I had never seen this at the Dollar Tree, but they had them, and they had plenty at my Dollar Tree. And then for Father's Day, look at this box. It looks like a toolkit. Isn't that adorable? And then the top just comes off. I think this is precious. You could either fill it with stuff, you could do a lot of stuff with this. I love it. And then look at the little handle. $1. Then they had this, if your father loves to fish, this looks like a tackle box. And just look at the back with the hinges and this, so you could just pick it up. That is precious. The top opens off of it as well. It opens off of all of these, okay? And Maggie is barking at who knows what. And then, if your father likes to grill, this is Chill Out. It looks like a cooler. Look at this. I just love it. And the lid comes off of it as well. Then I found 2 sizes of this. It looks like luggage or like a backpack or anything like that, briefcase if you carry one like that. Look at that, how beautiful that detail is. Even down to the little feet at the bottom. They had this size, and then they had the smaller size. Oh my goodness. I hope you're able to find these. These are just so adorable. They would make great gifts or DIYs. Then the last two things I picked up is just really staples for us. I found some more socks, and these are very thick. I love them. And then my husband found these, and his are very thick as well. And I got 2 pair, and he got 2 pair, all for $1. So I hope you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul of new finds. I hope you're able to find what you want at the Dollar Tree. I wish they all carry the same things. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, bye guys.